Hallo zusammen, ich heiße Abhishek and today we'll learn the reflexive verb. Means we have already done the reflexive pronomen, that is mich, dich, this, uns, euch und this. So the reflexive verb, Regel 1, Rule 1, reflexive verb broken ein reflexive pronomen. Means they are reflexive verb which needs the reflexive pronomen. Means if you have to make the sentences in reflexive form, means with reflexive verb, you have to come up with the reflexive pronomen. Means myself, yourself, itself, themselves, and this reflexive verb is in accusative or in dative. Zum Beispiel, ich wasser mich jeden Tag. Ich wasser mich jeden Tag. So here, Wasser, this wasen, means this one is our reflexive verb and this one is mich is our reflexive pronomen. Ich wasser mich jeden Tag. I wash myself every day. Ich wasser mich jeden Tag. Rule 2, Regel 2. Es gibt echte und unechte reflexive Verben. Means actor means real und actor means unreal. Means there are real reflexive verbs, means some verbs that come of only the reflexive, means some verbs that are only reflexive verbs, and some verbs that are either reflexive or not in reflexive. So in case of reflexive verb, then verb always must be in reflexive. Means zum Beispiel this konzentrieren. So the konzentrieren cannot come up with alone. Means konzentrieren came up only with reflexive. Means this konzentrieren. So ich konzentriere mich nicht auf den Unterricht. Unterricht means class. Ich konzentriere. This konzentrieren means to concentrate. Ich konzentriere. Konzentriere is our reflexive verb and mich is our reflexive pronomen. Nicht auf dem Unterricht. Und ein unechtes reflexive verb kann reflexive als auch nicht reflexive. Means I already told you that the unreal reflexive verbs either it can reflexive or it can also not be reflexive. Zum Beispiel ich wasser mich. Ich wasser mich. So this sentence is reflexive, means unacted reflexive. Wasen. Ich wasser mich. I wash myself. The next one. Ich wasser meine Hände. Ich wasser meine Hände. Here, waschen is not reflexive verb. Here, waschen is not in reflexive form. Means ich wasser meine Hände. There is no reflexive pronomen. So this sentence can also be made. Means either actor reflexive or unactor. So this one is unactor. The next one. The next rule is one verwendet man reflexive pronomen in dative or accusative. Means when you have to use the reflexive pronomen in dative and accusative. Means in which cases this reflexive pronomen is used. If they are gibt es ein Objekt. If they are in Satz. So in sentence, if there are one object, we basically use the accusative. Means ich wasser mich. Ich wasser mich. Here only one object. That's why ich wasser mich. So if they are in sentence, there is only one object. The sentence is in accusative form. So we need to use the reflexive pronomen in accusative case. Means miss this, not near there. Next one, gibt es im Satz zwei Objekte. Means if they are in sentence, there are two objects, we use the reflexive pronomen with dative case. Means if the two objects, means here, zum Beispiel, ich wasser mir die Hände. Here two objects, mir und die Hände. There are two objects in this sentence. So in that case, the indirect objects that is dative come up with the reflexive pronomen. Ich wasser mir. So mir, dir, mir, their, this, ons, euch, this is dative reflexive pronomen. So that's why is, was, mir, die Hände. And the die Hände is our accusative object, and this one is our dative object. So in case of if there is sentence two objects, so the reflexive pronomen is used in dative. Vielen Dank.